gentlemen, under the category of product excellence, we have another subcategory which is sports goods manufacturers. And once again, I'd like to thank the sponsor of this category, the product excellence category, which is supplierindia.com, one of India's leading B2B portals. And sports goods manufacturers की जब मैं बात करने वाली हूँ, so I just want to say one thing, ladies and gentlemen, that Andre Agassi once said. He said, if you don't practice, you don't deserve to dream. And it's because of the sports goods manufacturers that we get, good equipment to practice as much as we can to reach our dream, and that is why there is so much value associated to them. The award for the best carom board manufacturers in North India goes to Mexico Sports. May I please request the CEO, Mr. Anil Mahajan, and Director, Mr. Saurabh Mahajan, to come on stage to receive the award. Congratulations to Mexico Sports, and they are, of course, enjoying the moment of victory at the moment. Congratulations once again to both of you. And ladies and gentlemen, the award for the best skates and related equipments manufacturers in North India goes to Yonkers Skates Private Limited. May I please request the director, Mr. Sanjeev Nagpal, to kindly join us on stage to receive this award. Big hands! And I would request you to please stay back, sir. Mr. Nagpal, may I request you to please come back? Please come back. Why I'm calling back, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Sanjeev Nagpal, is because the next award is for the best cricket helmet manufacturers in North India, and that goes to Sports Line, and Mr. Nagpal, being the director of Sports Line, will receive that award as well. The best cricket helmet manufacturers in North India, that goes to, of course, Sports Line, and Mr. Nagpal is the director of Sports Line also. The award for the best soccer balls manufacturers in Punjab goes to Bihari Lal and Company, and may I request Mr. Mukesh Basan to come on stage to receive the award. Mr. Mukesh Basan, may I request you to please join us on stage if you're amongst us. Okay, so we're going to take it to the next. The award for the best tracksuits manufacturers in Delhi, ladies and gentlemen, goes to Goyal Trading Company, and may I request the proprietor, Mr. Sanjay Goyal, to kindly come on stage to receive the award. Mr. Sanjay Goyal. Congratulations to Goyal Trading Company. And ladies and gentlemen, moving from here, the award for the best educational toys manufacturer in Delhi NCR goes to Strawberry Stop. And from Strawberry Stop, I request the chairman, Ms. Ritu Malhotra, kindly join us on stage to receive the award.